Tired of the endless updates? Feeling like your computer is running you? Ever wondered if there's another way? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's been on a lot of people's minds, especially those of you coming from the world of Windows. Can you actually switch to Linux? Now, why would you even think about making the jump? Well, Linux offers some compelling advantages. First off, performance. Many users find Linux to be significantly faster and more responsive, especially on older hardware. Then there's cost. Most Linux distributions are completely free. You get a powerful operating system without paying a dime. And for the tinkerers out there, customization is a huge draw. You have incredible control over how your system looks and works. Plus, for many, privacy and security are major factors. Linux is open source, meaning its code is publicly available for scrutiny, often leading to a more secure environment. Now, it's not all sunshine and open source rainbows. There are definitely some hurdles to consider. The learning curve can be a bit steeper initially. While many modern Linux distributions are very user-friendly, you might encounter the command line more often than in Windows. Software compatibility is another big one. Some of your favorite Windows-specific applications might not have direct Linux equivalents. While there are often alternatives, it can require adjusting your workflow. And let's be honest, sometimes hardware driver support can be a bit less plug-and-play than on Windows. Though this is improving rapidly, it's something to be aware of. So, you're still with me? Now, if you're thinking of trying Linux, the first question is often, which one? There are many distributions, but for Windows users, I often recommend starting with something user-friendly. Ubuntu is a very popular and well-supported option with a large community. Linux Mint is another excellent choice, known for its familiar interface that feels quite Windows-like. And if you're into gaming or have newer hardware, pop_os is worth checking out. Don't feel overwhelmed. These are generally considered great starting points. The best part? You don't have to completely wipe Windows off your computer right away. You have a couple of safe ways to try Linux. Virtual machines allow you to run Linux inside your existing Windows environment. It's like having a computer within a computer. Another option is to create a bootable USB drive. This lets you run Linux directly from the USB without installing anything on your hard drive. And if you get comfortable, you can even consider dual booting, which allows you to choose between Windows and Linux each time you start your computer. No pressure, just exploration. Now, what about your favorite software? Many popular applications like Chrome, Firefox, VLC, and even some game platforms like Steam are available on Linux. For office tasks, LibreOffice is a fantastic free and open-source alternative to Microsoft Office. You might be surprised at the powerful and free alternatives available. One of the often underappreciated strengths of Linux is its incredible community. If you ever get stuck or have a question, there are tons of helpful forums, online communities, and extensive documentation available. You're not going to be alone on this journey. People are passionate about Linux and eager to help newcomers. So, can you switch to Linux from Windows?
Absolutely.
But it's not a decision to take lightly. It requires an open mind, a willingness to learn, and understanding that there might be some adjustments. However, the potential benefits in terms of performance, cost, customization, and privacy can be significant. Ultimately, the best way to know if Linux is right for you is to try it out. So, what do you think? Are you tempted to give Linux a try? Let me know in the comments below. I'll also include links in the description to some of the Linux distributions we talked about and resources to help you get started. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech explorations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.